Hi, in this video, let's talk about India's first pain relief device that combines ultrasound with TENS therapy. Yes, you heard me right, and the name of this device is SONICTENS by Ultracare Pro. This device uses therapeutic ultrasound that goes deep into the tissues and uses TENS that stimulates the nerves. Together, the synergy of these two modalities provides healing from chronic muscle pain. So, if you are an individual who is suffering from chronic pain, which is persistent and deep-seated, SONICTENS is the answer to your problem.
The beautiful packaging consists of SONICTENS device, a bottle of ultrasound transmission gel, an electrode pad, a power supply adapter, and a user manual. To use it, connect the power adapter to the wall socket and attach the lead wire to the electrode pad. Now, place the electrode pad on the affected area and apply a layer of ultrasound transmission gel. Long press the power button to switch on the device and press the mode button to adjust the ultrasound intensity from low, medium, high. Press the timer button to adjust the treatment time from 5, 10, 15. Press the plus stimulation button to activate combination therapy and adjust the TENS intensity from 1 to 25. Simply move the ultrasound head in a circular motion on the affected area of the skin. Using this will give you an empowered healing from all kinds of pain, whether acute or chronic. Thanks for watching.